Hey guys, welcome again. In this video, we are going to learn how we can create a first Flutter app using Android Studio. In the last video, I have explained how you can integrate plugin with Android Studio. Once you integrated the plugin and you have this link, just click on new project, new Flutter project, and it will ask this is the library where this SDK is integrated. Now next we have to click. Now this is the path where we have to link this. So I am just changing the path here and I go there. I say Flutter YouTube. This is the path where I will use this, and here I give the name demo 1, and here also I have to write this like this, demo 1. In this folder I want to create this. This is the path. Now whatever the description you want to write here, so I say this is the first demo app in Flutter using Android Studio. Anything you can write. Application we have, you can write here domain anything. I say org.vipinsoft, any name you can give. Then it asking the Kotlin, the language, because for Diddle it use Kotlin, so it's by default, and I want to make for all the platform. This application can run on any platform. So name is demo 1, path is this, and this is the directory that required for internal use. So like this you have to do and click on create project. So you say this directory does not exist, you want to create it by Android Studio? Yes, we want to create. Now it will take time and it creating a project for you. You see, so this is the readme file, remove this. This is the first file main.dart that is automatically created by Flutter for you. And this is the directory structure of Flutter. We have external library here. If you want to include these library, SDK we have, Dart package we have, and then we have this file if you want to upload on GitHub. So it will you can write anything here about your application and it will be display on GitHub. This is the file that we required for installation, like we have a project file in React or other framework. So this is the file to include external libraries. Automatically some libraries are also included. Flutter, like Flutter SDK is included, Flutter test is included, Flutter lint is included, so material UI is also included. So many things are already installed. If in the future we are going to integrate some plugins and some library, we will add in this file. And we have this file also for analyzing of this, similar to these three files used together to installation of library. That is metadata file, not required. GitHub ignore file, you know that if you want to ignore something on GitHub upload time, so you write here. Then this is the outcome file for Windows. If you compile this application for Windows desktop, then build project will come here in this directory. If you are using web or Chrome, then or any other web browser, then you will have this output here. This is for test folder, and this is for Mac OS. If you will run your application for Mac, here you have to change, then you will have output here. Then this is for Linux. This is the main library file where we have to write a code. This is for iOS application. If you have a mobile application for iOS platform, then you require this portion. I will use Android here because my system is Windows, and so I will prefer Android. So I will do everything here also for Android application. So you can build iOS also, you can build Android also, you can build Linux also, you can build Mac OS, web also, Windows. So many platforms are available for doing this. So here the main file is main.dart. Remember that. And these are the Dart tool, Dartpad. If you want to use some version library, everything is available here. So this is not the headache of developer. What they are here, we have to concentrate only on these folder. If you are concentrating your application to be run on web, then you have to concentrate on this portion. So I will use mostly Android portion, so I will prefer this portion. Depend on you what you prefer. So you can go for iOS also. If you have you can say Apple PC, you have a Mac OS, so you have to concentrate on iOS. Otherwise you can concentrate on Android also if you have an Android Studio on Mac PC. It depend on you what you want. So all are just the outcome. Just you change here and it will be code will change according to the, you can say, requirement, output requirement. But the writing of code, writing of syntax is not a change. These are same for all platform. These are the steps to create first Flutter app using Android Studio. In next videos, I will explain you how to integrate emulator here and how to execute this Flutter program on different platform, on Windows, on Chrome, on you can say browser, Edge browser, on emulator. So I will explain one by one. I would not be able to execute on iOS because I don't have an Apple machine. Otherwise, you can run on Apple also. I don't have a Linux also. Otherwise, I will have option here also for Linux if I have a Linux machine. It depend on you. It depend on the Flutter doctor. What are the requirement as per your platform. So this is all about creating a Flutter application, first Flutter application using Android Studio. So that's all here. Thank you for watching this.